Dr. Abdallah Sweeker from the Robotics Department supervised my time here. I got this research opportunity from MBZUAI, and the school selected me, Professor Abdallah, as my research supervisor. So during my time here, he's very supportive and friendly. Without dedicating me to do 1, 2, 3 specifically for my research, he really encouraged me to explore a lot of different aspects. Because me personally didn't really have a lot of experience with robot arms or some of Square's programming, so he gave me a lot of freedom and time to look into the mathematical frameworks, look into papers so that I get familiar with these things. But also, besides the academic aspects, he's also a great advisor in life, because besides studying here, he also recommended that I experience the life, the culture, as well as talk to entrepreneurs, talk to people in the tech innovation field, and potentially consider the UAE as a place for studies and career in the future. So when I arrived in Abu Dhabi, the primary impression that I had is the warmth. So partly because of the hot summer weather, but more importantly about how welcoming the people are here. So even though people are from all over the world with diverse personal and cultural backgrounds, but from taxi drivers to bankers and school administrators, everyone I meet are very polite and friendly. Particularly in Master City, it's a very modern and convenient place to live in. So regarding the MBZUAI community, I feel like it reflects a lot of the identity of Abu Dhabi as a city. It has faculty and students from all over the world, from Europe, from America, and from Asia, everyone. And I also can find big names in NLP, in ML, when I look at people in the school. Yeah, living in Abu Dhabi is definitely a very transformative experience for me. I've grew more adaptable and open-minded by talking to people of diverse cultural backgrounds. On a professional level, I feel very motivated by living in a city that's heavily invested into becoming a global hub in innovation and AI. I get to talk to people that are working in entrepreneurship, incubators, and investment funds. This experience has encouraged me to consider the Middle East as a potential destination for future career and academic development where I can make a global impact. Visiting many different places definitely adds a lot to my memory experience in Abu Dhabi. I remember very clearly there's one night where my friend and I rode in electric scooters along the Abu Dhabi Corniche. So it was one of the very rare, cool summer nights here, and I get to experience the summer breeze, observe great skyscrapers. It feels very safe and comfortable. There's also another time where I visited the Grand Mosque. I was deeply impressed by the magnificent architecture. As I go closer, I see a lot of very delicate leaf and floral ornaments on walls and columns. I feel very fascinated by the ingenuity with work as well as deep respect to faith. Another great plus about living in the city of Abu Dhabi or UAE in general is the convenience of air transportation. I get to visit nearby countries like Saudi Arabia and Jordan to experience the great cultural heritage in the Middle East. If I have more time or I live in the UAE for work in the future, I can easily travel to places in Europe, Africa, and South Asia, which are only a few hours away. For researchers potentially considering MBZUAI, this is what I'm going to tell you. Be brave and be open-minded. The school has world-class facilities and faculty with passionate people from all over the world with diverse cultural and academic backgrounds, and a huge opportunity for growth in the future. The school is still young, so it allows you to take initiative and shape the academic and research culture here. I feel very honored to become a member of MBZUAI community, and I think this is an excellent place to be in.